To prime factor 2025, we need to break it up into its prime factors. We can use the ladder method to do so. First, we try dividing 2025 by the first prime, 2. This results in a decimal, which isn't what we want. Because of this, we skip 2 and try to divide it by 3. 2025 divided by 3 is 675. We try dividing it by 3 again. 675 divided by 3 is 225. Divide by 3 again. 225 divided by 3 is 75. And again, 75 divided by 3 is 25. Finally, when we try to divide 25 by 3, we get another decimal. So we skip to the next prime, 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. We try dividing by 5 again. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Once we reach 1, we can stop and multiply all the factors together. We can use exponents to further simplify our answer. In the end, we get that 2025 equals to 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 2.